How to log into USH Employee Portal. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, you want to open up any web browser and head over to ush.ehr.com and press enter. Now on this web page, if you log into your account, you will be able to manage your online resource for benefit programs at USH. So to log in, first you need to enter your username. Go ahead and enter that. In case you have forgotten your username, you can click on the Forgot Username option. Then it's going to redirect you to this page, and here it is going to ask you if you know your USH work email. Click on the Yes option if you do. Then you will have to enter that email. Then enter the last four digits of your SSN. After that, enter your date of birth and then click on the next option. If you do not know your USH work email, then you will be able to identify yourself using your employee ID or social security number. After recovering your username, you can enter it and then click on the next option. After that, you will have to enter your password and then click on the sign in option. Now, if you are a first time user, you can create a new account. For that, click on first time user create an account option, which is given below. Then it's going to ask you if you know your USH work email. Now, if you do not know your USH work email, then it is going to ask you if you know your employee ID. Click on the yes button if you do, then enter the employee ID. After that, enter the last four digits of your SSN, then enter your date of birth and then click on the next option. If you know your USH work email, click on the yes option above and then enter your USH work email, then enter the last four digits of your social security number, then enter the date of birth and click on the next option. Follow the on-screen instructions to create your new account. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.